Hello world, quick update. The 1D Dash, I updated that and got it working across all platforms, like every Apple platform, so Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, tvOS, visionOS, and macOS. And got that submitted for review, and now visionOS got approved and the others are waiting for review. And now I'm going to work on starting 2D Dash, and so I set up the stuff in App Store Connect, or somewhat set up, and I'm going to start developing that. And then I've got some future projects to start working on. One of them will be a revamp of 3D Dash, not 3D Dash, but Phantom Maze. I did say on my LinkedIn that I was going to post the code to 1D Dash. But I kind of screwed it over. Wasn't being very careful with my commits, and there was another Xcode project, and I was like, oh shoot, it's got some changes, because sometimes you'll click on Xcode project and that'll make a change. So I should probably change my git ignore or do something else and probably use git properly, but I kind of screwed that code. So hopefully Apple approves all the versions, because if not, I'm rewriting that from scratch. So I guess if you're interested in 1D Dash, you can leave a comment, maybe I'll rewrite it, but I don't know if that many people are interested in the code for that, so not going to do much with that at the moment. But unless Apple doesn't approve it, then if I want the new versions, I need to go up, write all that. Anywho, which brings me to my next problem. So in 2025, I need to get more organized. Definitely not, like I'll work on the code and I'll do stuff, but I need to like get small chunks working, do precision commits. Like this commit is, the menus and the states between the menus is working. This one, sprites are displayed, or heroes playable sprite. This one, the enemy logic is working, or little smart chunks where things work and I can commit that and not run into just like doing a whole bunch of work, not doing anything for saving, and then fucking myself in the end with the whole project setup. So yeah, that was fun. That was how I started 2025. What was that, yesterday? Yeah, it's the second today. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, now I'm going to work on 2D Dash, and that's going to, the code there I would like to use on another project. But we'll see. And then I'll work on Phantom Maze, and then I'll work on some more projects. So SpriteKit, SceneKit projects for the early part of 2025. And sorry about my dog snoring, but don't know where I'm going with this spacing. Yeah, that's what's currently going on. So I'll update let me know in the comments if, because I thought about this, like maybe it'd just be useful for me, maybe I'll just do it anyway. For like SceneKit and SpriteKit and stuff, build out two like little projects where it's like an Xcode project where it's just works on all the platforms, iOS, Mac, all the platforms, all the Apple platforms. And it's kind of got like the bare bones things you need to just kind of get started, and you start building out your own specific SceneKit or SpriteKit code. Anywho, that's an idea. Where else am I going with this? Also, yeah, for notes on 1D Dash, relatively simple to bring it to all the platforms. WatchOS was just different because I'm not used to it, and then tvOS seemed to be the most pain to work with. Just the simulator is horrible, and then uploading it just ran into a couple different problems. But other than that, it's pretty good, and thankfully I've got an Apple TV, so I was able to test it. But I don't have an iPad or a visionOS. I think those are the only platforms I'm missing. So those ones, thankfully, the simulators are good. But yeah, that's just kind of an update. I will be posting the code for 2D Dash. That's more platformer, more Mario kind of. So that could probably be usable for people. And then I'll get into 3D stuff again. So let me know what you think in the comments. Just wanted to update on what's going on. And I'll start doing some live streams again shortly. Anywho, ta-ta.